What up, YouTube? I want to take a minute to, and I have this new little mount that's on my window right here. I don't know about it yet. We'll see. I wanted to see what you guys think about me doing like quick little like 1 minute like tips each day. Maybe not every day, but pretty frequently, where it's like literally like 1 minute. Like here is like a simple little trick. Would you rather me spend some time doing that, or do you guys like the episodes? The episode just takes so much time, and I kind of was thinking I can do some little fillers like that, what I just explained. The other thing is, who would be interested this winter in a class to learn the trade of power sport repair? And if so, what do you ride? What would you ride? A scooter, a motorcycle, ATV? And the other thing I wanted to I want to fill you in on the fuel injection system. Oh, that didn't work out. This little, I don't know if this mount's kind of weird. I don't know if I like it or not, but I have my phone up there. Well, I cruise. I'm not actually looking at it. I glance at it here and there, but the fuel injection system, I've got 2 beta testers right now testing the fuel injection system. Actually, one is on its way out, and we'll go through a few of those, and whenever we know that the fuel injection system is perfect, then we will be ready to sell them. And just so you know, my fuel injection system is based on a fuel injection system that already exists. I've just made it 100 times better. I've tuned it 100%, which is like the most important thing. So there is cheaper fuel injection systems out there, which I always get crap for that. But do you know how to tune? Do you have the equipment to tune? If you have a wideband O2 sensor, that's going to cost you around $300 to purchase that wideband O2 sensor. When you buy our fuel injection system, the idea would be that it's ready to go. Just wanted to clarify that. Also, it's plug and play. I've lengthened wires, shortened wires, installed plugs, tested things. A lot of time and effort has gone into it. That's why it's so drawn out. Plus, my name is going to be on it. It's not just me selling a fuel injection system. So I just definitely wanted to bring that to you guys' attention. So that's what I've been up to. The Street Cub, that son of a gun. So I'm not a fabricator. That's one thing that I'm not great at. I mean, I could, do little fabrications. I don't weld. I could weld, but not things that are like, you really have to like worry about, like a front end. I'm not gonna weld that. So I've just kind of been, that's been taking a little bit longer than I anticipated. But that's where I'm at with that Street Cub deal. So this is my update video. Just kind of wanted to keep you guys in the loop and share my ideas with you and see what your thoughts are. And I appreciate it. Sorry for this. I don't know about this camera mount. It's pretty shaky. Comment below. Tell me what your thoughts are on that. On what I just talked about. I appreciate you subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.